Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. It is a brisk late autumn, early winter day. This is going to be a short video, just a quick ride from the Tropicana all the way to the Hard Rock. We're going to be heading north on the boardwalk today on the tram. Nothing crazy today, just like I said, a short video to show you what it's like here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk this time of the year. I'm actually in Atlantic City. I'm editing this video from the Hard Rock, and which is why I picked a simple video to edit. And these tram videos are somewhat simple. I'll also discuss somewhere in between what my intentions are for Christmas this year, what's coming up on the holiday schedule here on the New York channel, so stay tuned for that as well. In any event, let's start enjoying this ride, shall we? This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
With fresh baked desserts and homemade gelato. Cafe Taza is located in lobby area.
So as many of you know, I just got back from Las Vegas about a week and a half ago, and I shot tons of videos, and some of them have been uploaded already, not too many, 2 or 3, but lots more to follow in the next several weeks and months to come. I plan on going back sometime in the early spring, maybe around March, so these videos will definitely carry me through the winter season though, so something to look forward to there. And I'm actually in Atlantic City right now. I'm staying at the Hard Rock. As I mentioned, I'm doing a Christmas video, several Christmas videos here in Atlantic City. I plan on visiting all of the hotels and casinos just to show off their holiday decorations. I did that last year. You guys seem to like it. I really enjoyed doing it, so I'm doing that again this year. Those videos should be up within about a week to a week and a half. I'm also going to visit the quaint little town of Smithville, have a nice Christmas dinner there, as well as show off all the Christmas decorations in that village as well. And of course, it wouldn't be a Christmas season here on the New York channel without some New York City videos, Christmas videos, and holiday videos. So I plan on visiting in the next week and a half, Macy's, which is the country's largest department store. No longer the world's largest department store, but the country's largest. Also probably, let's see, Rock Center. I'll show you the tree there, the ice skating. Bryant Park's always a fun village to check out this time of year. I'll walk up Fifth Avenue and show you all the windows from Lord & Taylor and all the other department stores, and probably head into Central Park just to do some recording there as well. So lots to look forward to here on the New York channel for the coming holidays. So hope you guys stay tuned. Yep. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Maybe the first two should have been a 5, everything after that.
Yeah, say that was your first.
He likes the Pokemon card. Max, the bag of Pokemon cards cost $5. So, every time he takes pregnancy. Well, I'm sorry.
So you're supposed to talk about somebody who's a Trump fan?
No, I don't like either of them.
I don't know.
I don't like any politicians. None.
I think they're normal.
I don't.
You know?
No, I don't think any of them. Any of them.
And they say Jimmy Carter wasn't effective. They say he was very honest.
Oh, I don't. That was way before my time. I'm 35. So Jimmy Carter was what?
And I love Kennedy.
70s, right?
I love Kennedy.
Cool guy.
Hey everybody, check out the New Yawk store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New Yawk swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New Yawk store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting. And with regards to the New Yawk store, don't forget the holidays are almost here. And here we are at my stop, Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I told you it would be a short ride, but it was fun nonetheless. As you can see, people are dressed really weird this time of year, and the weather is actually weird itself. I mean, when you wake up in the morning, it seems like it's in the 30s, and then by the afternoon, it's in the 60s. Kind of like Vegas was just a week and a half ago, so you really don't know how to dress, and this is why everyone's getting sick, I guess. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, lots more coming from the New Yawk channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New Yawk videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.